Hey guys, it's Jason from Close Range Tactics. Let's take a look at something real quick here regarding carrying in the workplace. How many of you carry in the workplace? CCW. What would you do if something like this heist here happened and you weren't carrying and you had to use hands-on skills? Do you have hands-on skills? Here's why I ask. Let's take another look at the video. Let's watch her hands. As a threat comes in, she's very situationally aware. She turns, observes. Look where her hands go. They go to her waistline. It appears as if she's attempting to draw from the appendix carry position, but there's nothing there. Do you carry at work? Is your work a non-permissive environment? Do you have the hands-on skills if you don't have a weapon? These are things to think about. Subscribe, like, follow for more videos from Close Range Tactics.